Hello there. This Nissan Primera has a problem that's very, very irritating. Specifically, when I turn the steering wheel, the infotainment system goes insane. It's got a mind of its own. In this video, we'll demonstrate this intermittent issue and figure out how we can minimize its effect. Welcome to CarSpyTV. Okay, let's start by demonstrating the fault. So the engine's on, we'll pop the car into forward gear and go forward on full lock right. Okay, no fault so far, so we'll pop it into reverse and go full lock left and see what happens. And there we go, the radio is turning itself on and up to full volume. And if we turn the steering wheel the other way, the volume goes back down. How irritating. And that's just one example of strange, irritating behaviour caused by turning the steering wheel. On other occasions, the system swaps from radio to CD, then radio to CD, then radio to CD at that sort of pace. Additionally, it scrolls through the fuel consumption and journey information without me asking it to, and when it is misbehaving in this manner, the reversing camera is reluctant to come on. Now, in my experience with this car, there are certain things that make such behaviour more likely. For example, cold, wet weather, turning the steering to full lock or close to full lock, and pressing certain buttons on the left of the steering wheel, specifically these buttons. This weird steering behaviour is a common Primera issue, and the typical solution is to buy a modified wiring harness for the steering wheel. Ugh. However, as far as I can tell, the modified harness is no longer available, and even when it was unbearably expensive. So, for now at least, we have to live with this infuriating madness, but there are things we can do to minimize it. Number 1. When the madness starts, turn the ignition off, then back on again. That seems to help. And number 2, press the phone button here on the left of the steering wheel. On my car, that helps as well. Can you see me? No? That's because I'm really good at hide and seek. Anyway, you're welcome to have your say on this topic. Specifically, what's the weirdest, most infuriating and annoying fault you had on a car? Did you fix it? And if so, how? Let me know via the comment section of this video. Also, can you please do me a favour and click like on this video and subscribe to CarSpyTV? And while you do those things, I'm going to listen to a very loud radio against my will. Urgh.